Ever wanted to improve your coding abilities without going through a headache? Imagine having a personal assistant able to help you debug smarter, code faster, and even make learning enjoyable. We're exploring the top 10 AI tools in today's video that are not only smart, but also beginners' friends. These tools will help you to level up or start out and make Python programming seem like a breeze. All set to equip coding as your new superpower? Let's start now. Number 1. GitHub Copilot. Imagine having a programmer friend who is constantly willing to propose the next line of code, even before you know you will need it. In essence, GitHub Copilot is a strong AI-driven tool that lets you type quicker by offering intelligent recommendations. Using GitHub Copilot will teach you less effort-intensive, cleaner, more efficient code writing techniques. It's like having a mentor leading you over each stage and providing real-time help that accelerates your learning curve. What if you find yourself caught on a particularly challenging problem? Next, we will discuss a tool that will enable you to unravel even the most messy code, equivalent to carrying a genius debugger right at hand. Keep tuned. Number 2. Replit's Ghostwriter. All set to expand on your coding? Then introduce Replit's Ghostwriter. This artificial intelligence tool generates whole functions and even entire programs depending on your input, therefore guiding your coding efforts. It's like having a supercharged autocomplete function with style and code context awareness. Ghostwriter will let you rapidly develop code snippets and learn new coding strategies only by interacting with this artificial intelligence tool. It's a great approach to increase output and acquire understanding of best practices. Imagine now that you must view your code in real time and observe how it functions. We will then explore a program that converts your code into interactive visuals, therefore enabling you to grasp its behavior and identify and detect problems before they become crises. Let's keep moving. Number 3. Tab9. Tab9 is your go-to tool if you want one that elevates code completion. This AI-powered autocomplete tool provides context-aware recommendations that get better as you work and fits quite nicely into your coding setup. By allowing AI to predict and complete code snippets, Tab9 will help you to speed up your work by lowering mistakes and increasing your efficiency. Your process will be more seamless and understandable if an AI continuously learns and adjusts to your coding style. But if you wish for a program that can genuinely learn from your errors or how to code better, we will then look at a tool that offers comments and advice to assist you, raising your coding competency, similarly to a personal code coach. Don't miss this. Number 4. CodeGPT. Want to write code and get answers to your programming problems right away? CodeGPT is a great program that uses GPT technology to help with coding chores and offer explanations for different programming ideas. It's like having a professional coder right at your fingertips. You'll learn how to quickly make code snippets and get full answers for tricky coding questions with CodeGPT. It helps a lot with learning and fixing problems, which makes code problems a lot less scary. Want to know about tools that will not only help you code, but also make sure it is perfect? Next, we'll talk about a tool that helps you keep up with high-quality code standards and does automatic code reviews. Watch out. Number 5. Sorcery. Have you ever wished you had a code reviewer who checks every detail? Sorcery is like having your own personal expert on code quality who looks over your code and offers ways to make it better. It works with your IDE and gives you input in real time to help you write better code. Sorcery will teach you how to improve your code by giving ideas that you can use to make it easier to read and work better. This tool makes it easy to come up with best practices and clean up your code. What if you want a tool that shows you your code mistakes right away and lets you learn from them? Now we'll talk about a tool that gives you immediate feedback and chances to learn for every mistake you make in code. Do not go anywhere. Number 6. Pylint. Pylint is like having a watchful eye on your Python code. This strong tool checks your code for mistakes, makes sure you follow the rules for writing code, and gives ideas on how to make your code better. If you want to write clean, usable Python code, you have to use this. You'll see how Pylint helps you find bugs, follow best practices, and make your code easier to read. Its detailed reports and ideas are very helpful for both new and experienced coders who want to get better. But what if you need a tool that does more than just look over your code? What if you need one that also helps you write tests, to make sure it works perfectly. Next, we'll show you a tool that will make sure your code always works perfectly, like having an automatic testing suite. Number 7, Kite. Kite is like having a personal coding assistant knowing your coding style. As you type, this AI-powered tool provides clever code complements and documentation searches. It helps you create code faster and with less mistakes by analyzing your coding patterns and offering ideas that complement your particular style. Kite will help you improve your coding efficiency with quick access to pertinent documentation. Kite can recommend the next logical lines of code, for instance, if you're working on a difficult function, therefore saving you time spent looking for syntax or method names. It even offers demand documentation, so you won't have to leave your editor to hunt for facts. However, if you seek a tool that not only helps with code completion, but also fits very well into your workflow with sophisticated debugging features, we will then present a tool that not only simplifies coding, but also debugging and optimizing your code. Continue watching. Number 8, PyCharm. PyCharm makes your IDE a powerhouse for Python development when paired with artificial intelligence plugins. Robust features of PyCharm are well known. When augmented with AI plugins, it provides intelligent code completion, error detection, and automated code production. These plugins smooth down and speed your development process by offering real-time feedback and sophisticated refactoring features. PyCharm will help you use tools including code navigation, rapid fixes, and context-aware suggestions to simplify your coding work. For example, error detection helps find possible problems before you ever run your code, and AI-driven code completion can forecast the next actions depending on the situation of your project. These elements taken together make coding less prone to mistakes and more efficient, but you might want a solution that efficiently manages your development projects and dependencies going beyond code writing. We will then discuss a tool that specializes in project organization to guarantee scalable and well-maintaining of your software. Number 9, Codex. Codex is an artificial intelligence model capable of comprehending and creating code in several programming languages, including Python. It is capable of converting natural language explanations into useful code snippets. It is the engine underlying many contemporary coding tools. From creating code based on basic descriptions to tackling difficult coding challenges, Codex may assist with a variety of projects. Using Codex's sophisticated features will teach you how to create whole functions or even applications with only a few words. For instance, you can specify a particular capability you desire, and Codex will generate code fit for your needs. It's like having a really intelligent co-coder that can concurrently help with coding and brainstorming. Curious about a tool that transforms coding practice into a dynamic and interactive experience in addition to facilitating code generation? We will then explore a tool that increases the enjoyment and ease of learning coding. Don't skip this. Number 10, Jupyter Notebooks. For Python programmers and data scientists, Jupyter Notebooks are a must-have. Adding artificial intelligence into these notebooks greatly increases their capacity. This strong tool makes experimenting with code simpler and helps you to get important insights from your data by providing real-time data visualization, interactive code execution, and automated analysis. Jupyter Notebooks will help you to see how these tools simplify challenging chores. The tool execute interactive experiments, automatically create visuals catered to your data, and offer analysis recommendations. This helps you to concentrate on comprehending your results instead of becoming mired in hand data processing. If you enjoyed discovering these AI tools, subscribe to remain up to date on the most recent developments in Python programming. Got any thoughts or questions regarding these tools? Please leave a comment below. I'm eager to hear from you and assist you with any coding problems you may be experiencing. Continue coding with confidence.